Hello, there is another nice command which is called quick open that you can issue with command P. Here you have a list of all the files that you can open in your project, and what you can do is to search for them, for example main, and then you can scroll to the one you actually want to open. Press enter and that's it. Okay. But also there is a nice feature which is open in the background. For example, you can go to the settings, and then if you press the command right key, it will be open on the side in the background. Okay, and you can do that as many times as you want. So you can actually quick open several files at the same time. Okay. Without closing this window, so you don't have to repeat the same command over and over again. Okay. Another option that you can do is to, for example, if you type mind pass, you can use the @ symbol, so you can navigate directly to where you want to go. It'll be first, okay, and then you are opening the file on the right location. Okay, repeat that again, main.pass, and then I don't know, set right now. Okay, so you are directly going to where you want to be with a few keystrokes. Okay, thank you.